Hello, this is Michael with Clark County Plumbing. We're at job site address 794 South A Street in Washougal, Washington. This is a post-video inspection of a sewer liner that we installed. We gave access to a 4-inch ABS cleanout at the property line, and we're going to go towards the city's main line. Right now we're currently in 4-inch ABS on the vertical. We've just reached the horizontal 4-inch ABS. And this is our new sewer liner. And here's the transition from 4-inch ABS to 6-inch ABS. Or excuse me, 6-inch concrete. And this is the drop down into the city main. And here we have city main, and the liner looks great. And this completes our